Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the Lenovo ThinkPad P15 G2 and what's inside of it. First, on the bottom panel, you will find a service lid. Undo its single Phillips head captive screw, and pry it with a plastic tool. This will reveal two SODIMM ports for memory expansion, and two M.2 slots for storage. Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you. To continue, you need to undo a couple more screws, which will set the keyboard loose. Then, turn the device the right way up, open the lid, and slide the entire keyboard upwards. After that, pull it away together with the secondary touchpad buttons. Be careful, as there are two ribbon cables that you need to unplug. Then, you will see a metal cover, held in place by three Phillips head screws. Undo them, and slide the cover upwards to remove it. Ultimately, this leads to the rest of the upgrade option. Here, you have two more SODIMM slots, that combined with the two on the other side, support up to 128 GB of DDR4 RAM. Also, you can see a third M.2 slot for storage. Provided you want to continue with the teardown, and take a look at the cooling, you need to remove the entire bottom panel. After you undo all of the visible screws, remove the SIM card tray, using an ejection tool. Then, pry the bottom panel with a plastic tool and lift it away from the device. Here, you will notice that Lenovo has integrated a rather large 94 watt-hours battery pack inside of their notebook. As far as the cooling goes, there are four beefy heat pipes. Additionally, the graphics card has a large heat spreader above it. What is more impressive here is that the graphics card is interchangeable. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.